a surprise today at 12 am. 60 balloons. I made a condition.
Means the effort.
Hi muffins, this is Miss Muffin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. A very good morning. It's 8:30 am right now और बाहर की वेदर बहुत सुंदर है. बारिश हो रही थी, अब नहीं हो रही है. I just took a shower, a warm hot shower and having my first warm hot water early in the morning, and then I'll start my day. Today's day is special, or from the YouTube title itself, you have already known by now that why today's day is so special. So it's Vikram's birthday, like my boyfriend's birthday tomorrow. So I will be giving him a surprise today at 12 am. मैंने ना कुछ order की थी मीशो से, like those balloons and the happy birthday banner and everything. It has 60 balloons. I mean, and I don't have anybody to help me. So I have to do it all alone. और अगर आप लोग ये कमेंट करने वाले हो कि दीदी डेकोरेटर्स बुला लो, तो सॉरी आई कांट बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव दैट बजट. So I decided to start this balloons journey from the very morning. So I will be grabbing my coffee right away so that I get a lot of energy. People who already have subscribed me might know that I'm a big time coffee girly, and if you are new to my channel then please go and subscribe. He deserves everything in this world, every prince treatment of this world. Okay. So quickly let's go and grab some coffee very fast. What are you waiting for? Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, like you do. I'm sorry, I'm a terrible singer, which I say in every vlog of mine, but songs are such a vibe. I mean, I just can't stop singing. I'm making my iced coffee right now. My bread is ready. Okay, so मैं एक चीज़ दिखाती हूँ तुम लोगों को. See. The amount of Nescafe sachets I carry at my home, like literally मैं दुकान दे सकती हूँ, literally, because I always have Nescafe sachets. You know why? Because honestly Nescafe I feel is the best affordable coffee that you can have, and I don't have earnings right now, so I felt कि ठीक है budget में यही सही है. And this manifestation is straight coming out from a coffee girly who loves coffee, that yes, I want to try Davidoff and or whatever expensive coffee we have at the market outside. This coffee into this. So I don't have sugar in my coffee. Yes, because I am on a diet actually. So no sugar. I will be adding some vanilla essence for that sweet flavor, and you have to give the best stir. And this sound is so satisfying. इसमें आने दो क्या तुझको, ऐसी बात कर होना जाए प्यार तुमसे मुझे, कर देगा बर्बाद इश्क मुझे. Hi, my camera is falling. क्यों नहीं दे रही हो साथ? It's not. Cheers. Let's see. This is so good Meeting you up soon. Coffee break is over. Now I will be heading towards the decoration. So this will be the most exciting part. Barish रुक गई. Yeah. This is so pretty. So this is the packaging. Okay. So let me open this. ये शायद यहाँ से होगा. मुझे देख के डर लग रही है. Like thank you for celebrating us. To make that balloon gate which I saw on like Pinterest. Okay, I did it. So basically I need to make that balloon gate. You need to tie 2 balloons. So basically you need to take these 2 और आपको करना है I made it. Okay, so let's play some songs. My hands are hurting so much.
Young when I first saw you, flashback starts. I'm standing on a balcony. See the lights, see the party. They through the crowd and say hello. Throwing pebbles and I was crying on the stove. Take me somewhere where all there's left to do is run. Says it's a love story. To rise. Cause you were away from Juliet.
So now come the toughest part. I will try to make the balloon gate. This is so tough and this is the very first. You need to tie it here. Guys, this balloon gate is too tough. Okay, I just wait. अरे यार, I just made this much. There's more to go. This is the condition. I won't say it perfect, but I am trying my best. पर मुझे और balloons की ज़रूरत है. Guys, I made it finally. It's a big balloon gate. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I made it. I finally made this, but I feel कि यहाँ पे I need to tie more balloons, like small balloons. Tiny balloons feels so cute. Now I'll hang the banner. Finally, I'm done with the entire balloon gate and happy birthday and decoration. I know it's not perfect. Okay, so I was taking a little nap after doing all that. I had my lunch and I fell asleep. I didn't even know when. Like after I was doom scrolling Instagram reels and I slept. So anyways, there are a few things that I need to get, cakes and candles and all of that. So let's go out. So this is the only shop I had for gift wrappers and I was very disappointed with the collection. But last minute pe I didn't have anything to do, so I took this silver one. I was so sad. Then I went to this bakery near me. It's Do As You Like, and the inside of this bakery is so aesthetic. There was a lot of options and I'll show you which one I took. And in the meantime, I just had some mirror videos of my own. So I'm back home with the cake. Before I put this inside the refrigerator, I thought to show you once. I also got this candle. I know it's really trending right now. Ta-da! So this is a truffle, chocolate truffle. It tastes really good and yeah, I'm so happy. So this is the final setup. I'll switch on the light and show you guys. Okay. I need to switch off this light actually. Yeah. Wow. So let me put it up here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
The cake is already half gone because his friends came and vanished it out like a storm. So, anyways, so did you enjoy it? Enjoyed it today? He's busy seeing gifts.
Yes, I did a lot. Especially, I was not expecting such,
Yeah. This decoration.
like, this decoration means the effort. Whatever the efforts you have put in throughout the day, maybe. I don't know how much time you took for this decoration, but it's really
It took
amazing.
4
And,
hours.
honestly, I was not expecting this from you.
Because it's the very first time. Even I told them
Exactly.
that it took me 4 hours. I failed and I again saw Pinterest and then again. Okay, so what are the gifts that you got?
I got a lot. Firstly, I got this 3 pair of socks. One is Hulk.
Marvel edition.
One is Hulk. This one is super.
Iron Man.
I love this.
Another is Captain America. Yeah.
There's a face wash. I needed.
Yeah. There is.
I don't know how to use it, honestly. Then I got one perfume. It's,
From Bombay Shaving
Bombay
Company.
Shaving.
Yeah. Nice.
Best one. One of those. My friend gifted. That is
Puma.
this box.
This
See
box.
This box is premium. So, it's a belt,
Yes.
which is chocolate in color. And this one, again,
Wallet.
there is a perfect combination.
This is gifted by me.
Yes. Thank you.
And these 2 t-shirts also by me. One from Alan Soli and I guess the another is one Nautica. No, this 2 color actually suits you the most. That's why I thought to go with it.
There are more surprises maybe for tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Bye bye.
Enjoy. Have a nice day. Nice night.